Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update community rules research with HOA management websites. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to your preferred search engine. Type in HOA management websites and press enter. Review the search results and select a reputable HOA management site. Once on the site, locate the search bar or community rules section. Enter relevant keywords such as community rules or governing documents. Click on the appropriate link to access the Community Rules section. Examine the currently listed rules and regulations. Take note of any areas that may require updates or clarifications. If available, download a PDF or screenshot the current rules for reference. Next, check for any recent changes or proposed amendments in the same section. Look for a version history or update log, if provided. If updates are not visible, consider contacting HOA management directly for clarifications. Gather any feedback or input from community members regarding the existing rules. Draft the proposed updates or changes you wish to implement. Ensure that your proposals are clear and concise. Submit your updates to the HOA board or management team for consideration. Follow up to confirm receipt of your proposed changes. Once approved, update the Community Rules section on the website. Be sure to communicate the new rules clearly to all residents. Regularly review and refine the community rules as needed in the future. Conclude your process by ensuring compliance and understanding among all community members. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.